Hey there, it's Brysen from Bold. In this video, I'll be going over how to update a product's price for existing subscribers using the bulk update tool. By default, changing the price of your subscription products from within Shopify only changes the price in the Shopify admin and on your storefront. Existing subscribers will remain subscribed to the product at the original price. The bulk update tool in Bold subscriptions allows you to update the price of products involved in existing subscriptions without needing to change the price in your Shopify admin. With that being said, let's use the bulk update tool to change the price of a product for existing subscribers. From within your Shopify admin, click Subscriptions, then Bulk Updates. Click Create a Bulk Update at the top of the page. Using the dropdown under Update Type, select Price. Next, click Select Products and choose the products you would like to update the price for. In my example, I'm going to update the price for a few coffee bags. Next to each product you selected, click one of the following options that appears. Clicking View X Variants allows you to update the price of each variant individually. Clicking Choose Price for all variants allows you to update all variants to the same price. And clicking Choose New Price allows you to update the price of a product with one or no variants. Once you choose an option, enter the new price in the New Base Product Price field. Below this field are two options that you can choose from. Remove Existing Discounts will remove any recurring discounts that existing users currently have, while Apply a New Discount to All Subscriptions allows you to enter a new discount either by percentage off or fixed amount off. If you choose the latter option, if you add a new base product price of $20 and apply a new discount to all subscriptions of 10%, your existing subscribers will receive the product for $18. Click Save Changes. If you would like to apply more bulk update prices, repeat the same steps we went through, then click Confirm Changes. At this point, a sync starts to perform the bulk price updates. You can navigate away from this page and return back once the sync has been completed. Generally, the sync can take anywhere from a few minutes to hours, depending on how many products are being updated. Once the sync has completed, you can click Download Summary to get a summary of the bulk price updates. As you can see on this page for my customer, the price of this coffee bag was priced at $20. If I refresh the page, the price is now updated to $18 after using the bulk update tool. And that's all there is to it. For more information on Bold subscriptions, please visit our help center at support.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.